Hey guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to Cookie Squad, and I'm here with Miss Layla.
Hi.
And today we are totally winging it, trying to make whoever can make the better slime. So this is our paint.
Our
and-
glue.
Yes, our glue. And it might look black, which it really is, but we're hoping that all of these paints can make the black color go away. So let's get started. Silence. You can hear crickets.
Don't use too much because I need some.
Whee! I've never actually know if Tide works for.
Okay.
That's not enough.
Then how much am I gonna get? You're using it all. That's enough. Now how much am I gonna? Oh, there's still some.
You can get the rest. Okay, so the color I think I'm gonna go with is blue, you guys. What color are you going with, Layla?
I really don't know. I'll go with this color. I don't care. I don't know what it's called.
This is so pretty, you guys. This is so pretty. I'm not joking. Here, let me flip the camera.
Trying to get my glue out.
Look how pretty this
If you
is.
can. Me?
I'm not gonna help you. It's so pretty. First place, yeah, boy. Yeah, Layla's still trying to make hers. So I practically used all of this. So time to move on to the next blue color.
But more.
Yeah, you need a lot of blue to take over this black. I think I'm gonna do this as dark blue.
Now I'm adding my color. That's too much blue, I'm pretty sure.
No, it's not. There's never too much blue.
There's never too much green. Oopsie.
Oh, I have an idea.
Something happened to the bottle.
Did it fart? Wink,
No.
wink.
Wait, save some of that. Oh, that might make it brown. Never mind.
Okay, so that's my coloring so far. So I'm gonna mix it together.
Whoa, that's pretty. It took away the black. Like, really.
Whoa, I'm not joking, you guys. This is so
nice.
pretty. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at hers. These, guys, they're turning out
Amazing.
sweet.
Even though we're winging it.
Yeah, we're winging it.
And there's
guys.
glitter, too.
Yeah, there's glitter. No offense, Colin.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry.
We know you
But
guys.
glitter's got to make it into this video.
Yeah.
Because, yeah. And I'm adding some pink.
Hey, pass the pink when you're finished.
Say no race, but I still take first place, yo. I added some pink into it, and it looks really cool. It's all kind of just blue,
Yeah, it's really mostly blue.
but
How are we gonna tell the difference in ours? I'm gonna ask purple.
yeah,
Mine's a different colored blue. It's like a lighter shade.
yeah, and we wanna try to make them different. Ooh, I can add some red for spicy.
I'm not adding any red. I might just add more purple.
Whoa, that's pretty. I know, I'm just trying to make it lighter. Guys, it's so, it's so fascinating to add the colors in or satisfying. Watch,
Yeah.
you add that in. Here, she's adding her color. Whee! And then watch as you mix it.
It's
Wow.
so satisfying.
Look at that. It's like marble. So,
Oh yeah, we can tell the difference now. Mine has a little more pink. Wait, never mind.
mine's kind of turning a purple, don't it?
Yeah, that's turning purple. Mine might turn pink. I'm using a lot of pink.
Yeah, I'm not using any pink, so. Well, I already did use pink, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this yellow goldish color. Comment down below if you like making slime or not. I love making slime. Whoa.
This is my first
pretty.
time making slime.
This is
So
pretty.
let's see how good. I can't believe we took over the color black though.
What? Yeah, this is yellow, you guys can see.
I used
It
a
might
lot
look
red.
gold in the camera. What? Oh my gosh, you guys, look how much red she used. That's crazy. Oh, sorry, you guys are looking at the wall.
It's turning red. No.
That's
Whoa,
your
it's turning purplish now.
Yeah, mine's still turning blue.
Look at that.
If you guys can't tell, like these are just like blue and purple.
Yeah, like nothing's overchanging. Nothing's overpowering the blue. Wait, I need to use. Just took the color I was about to use. I put a bunch of pink and red in mine.
Lucky if you have any left. Well, yep, look how much pink I just added.
There's really nothing left in here.
Yep, so mixing, whoa, it kind of looks like so cool right now. Look at this.
I'm gonna just add some more regular pink. Ready? I'm gonna go for 2 at the same time.
That's never worked. But okay, good luck, Laylee.
It's not working.
I said it's never worked.
That one.
I just realized most of this is paint.
The paint can be almost like the gluish.
Kind of,
Yeah.
a little bit, not really.
No. But we got Tide Activator, so we're
Yeah.
gonna hope it works.
Comment down below if Tide works in your slimes.
Yeah, I've seen people use it.
But I've never tried it, so.
Yeah.
Ooh, I kind of like this color.
Yeah, that color's nice. This is your color. Hold on.
Yeah, look, this is my color so far.
Camera. That's real nice.
Yeah.
And how mine's turning out. Not as great as that. But
It's Ooh, I haven't used this color.
I have. That was my first color. And I used a lot of it. I'm sorry.
Perfect amount. Guys, look. The perfect amount. Sweet. I'm sorry that RIP headphone users.
Oh.
I just realized how loud this was after one of my videos. Yeah. And go watch one of my videos. They're super cool.
You subscribe to her channel.
Yeah, and before... Never mind. I'll just tell you guys later. Yes.
What?
Comment down below if you guys think I should be making more of these YouTube videos more often. Because I'll be going like crazy this week. Because my friend Layla is finally... This one right here. Is finally home from Texas. She was there for a month. I mean... That's crazy. I got some on the table. But, I mean, she was there for a month, and I'm so happy to have her back. Oh my god, this is filling up with paint.
It's okay. It'll make more slime.
So, comment down below if Tide actually does work. So, yeah. And also, subscribe to my channel. Layla will probably be on it a lot because, well, she's Layla. So, yeah.
I just got paint. You got paint on your shirt and you just got it
What?
on me.
Where? This outfit's new.
It's not much, but it's a good amount. I would show the camera if you could stay still.
If I could stay still, yeah.
Yes.
Where is it? Oh,
Sorry.
No, wait. No,
Trying to find it. There it is. Stop moving.
Well, anyway, folks.
We are still adding paint. Oh, there's glitter.
Yeah, you forgot about the glitter?
Glitter, 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 glitter.
How did you forget
I need some of this color.
about... Sorry, she's blocking me. So rude. I'm adding...
They can't even see your eyes.
Ooh, I got some paint on me. That came out really weird. Well, I think
I'm gonna add a little.
mine
more
is
paint.
done because, look, here's the color.
Yeah. No, my color's changing. Lots and lots. Now we can tell the difference though, because I added a lot of green.
Yeah, I'm gonna focus on Layla.
Okay. I might add a little more purple paint.
How can you add more to that? You used like all of it.
Oh, you used like all of it. Remember? Look how much paint's in your mold.
Okay, I'm back. Oh,
Oh,
what?
because kind of got something around your eyes.
Stop!
You made me pull them out.
Adding
That's
the-
too much because I need some too, you know. Oh, that's enough.
I added my glitter, people, and I love glitter. Look at that. It's so pretty. Yeah, sorry, Collins. They don't like glitter.
Not at
Comment if you like glitter or not down in the descriptions below.
all. Yeah.
You can't really see it anymore, but it's so cool.
I can see it right there.
Well, I almost hit the stop button.
Wait for me until I get my slime all ready. My glitter. This glitter might finish because I'm obsessed with glitter.
You're not the only one. Ooh.
We used all the glitter. Sorry.
Sorry, other people that wanted to use some of the glitter.
Such as your sisters. Whoa, you can see the glitter now.
It's so chunky.
Look at mine.
Yours is so chunky. Well, now we got.
Wait, I need to show you the glitter in my slime. It's so...
My glitter's all gone. But it's so chunky.
It's chunky.
Yeah, now we gotta put all of our paint back, the lids back on since we weren't doing that.
Oh, yeah, it got chunky fast.
Chunky monkey.
Chunky monkey. Okay, now
Sorry.
we just gotta
I had
find
to put the
lids.
lid in. I had to. I haven't actually used any purple. Stop! It was so weird. This kind of reminds me of Emmy's color, don't it?
What's
Like the Emmy, it looks like Emily's color.
What do you mean by that?
Like it just looks like her. Like this color reminded me of her. Oh,
What's wrong?
I hurt my finger.
Again.
Whee! Shoot.
You gotta put the lids back on them, bro.
I got a mess to clean up.
Where? Oh.
Yeah.
Why are you so...
I almost
that
dumped
almost
my
went
whole slime.
wrong. Well, mostly pink. There's more glitter.
No! No more glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna put my Tide in.
Hey, I need to put Tide in, but I'm gonna need you to do it, Brooke, because I'm not good.
Here we go.
That was a lot. Can you pour some in there? I've never done this. Can you help me? Is it activating? It's activating.
Oh, that's so
Do
cool.
some for me.
Okay, here. Let's put the slime in. Here. You just pour it in.
I don't know how.
Okay, here we go. Wait, before I put it in, you have 5 seconds to go and like this video. Let's see if you can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Thanks if you can do it. So let's see now. Whee! Sorry, I got a little emotional there. And then look, it's actually coming together.
It is. Oh, I need some more.
Yeah, so do I.
Can you pour some in there?
Whoa!
Pour some in here for me. Because I don't want this to be sticky.
Yeah, I don't want my slime to be sticky.
I'm not good with sticky slime. Look at that!
This is turning out well, you guys.
And we use mostly paint.
Which is really surprising.
We winged
Surprising.
it. We winged it and it came out good.
Yeah, look at this.
But where are we going to put it after?
I don't know.
Pour some in. She poured a lot in mine. I
I
will
said
not
pour
be-
some in.
I will not be using any more time, hopefully. Okay, I
Hopefully
need
this
more
comes
of
together.
a glue-based thing.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is really pretty. So I'm using my hands now because, yeah, I'm so messy.
I'm not starting.
So
with
if people call me a pig, thanks. That's a pig's heart to be messy. Dab, I'm not a pig. I haven't dabbed, but yeah, I've been going through this dab stage.
Why are you using your hands already?
Who wouldn't? You wait till the end to see how our slimes turn out.
Yeah, so please do not leave. Silence.
Crickets. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Chirp.
Why is it stiff?
I don't know. It's like stiff.
Look at that. You gotta like mush it.
I'm trying to.
You might want to switch back to.
I'm
Hey,
not
you
switching
put some of that towel on my lap. I'm taking a shower before I go to sleep though.
You think? You smell.
Oh no, why did I ever switch to hands?
Yeah, my slime's not turning out. Don't show the camera.
You're showing the camera now. Oh, why did you put it on the table?
Oh,
It
I'm gonna
wasn't
have to clean the
ready.
table. Oh,
I think we needed more of a glue base.
yeah.
This is like a fail, an epic fail.
Oh, it's supposed to turn out really well, guys, so.
Because we were winging it. I think that was our big mistake.
Yeah, look
at
how it's
that.
turning out so far.
Shaving cream.
Yeah, that would have made it much better if we had any.
Do we have any here?
I said if we had any.
So we don't have any at this house?
No.
Here, pour some activator in there, please.
You get the activator. My hands
I
are covered.
cannot. My hands have more than yours. Just a little. Okay.
Oh my god. I think we need more of a glue base, guys.
Yeah. There's none in there.
I see my potential, so I'm just gonna wait.
Look at that, guys.
My potential's coming.
What?
I said my potential is going to come sooner or later.
Spoon.
Some boom. Some. Oh, it's like its own slime. It's not mixing. If. Guys, this slime is bad.
Real bad.
Guys, look what the towel's turning. This slime, oh my god.
Hey, put the towel back on me.
My hands are soaked. Wait, 1 second, let me clean the table.
What if we put them together, like mix them?
I'm not fixing this beauty.
This is beautiful.
Oh my god, guys.
It's starting to form. Put some activator in here.
I think you just need to use the activator that you have. I think that's why it's, you know. What if we need to add more paint?
I want to try.
I'm not trying. Look at this.
There's a little slime forming right there. Gonna rip it out and see if it forms. It formed, guys.
It's not really forming. Well, we're gonna have to do a part 2 to this video in like 5 minutes when the slime actually forms. So
we're
watch
gonna
the
leave it
next video
sit.
that I post. And love you guys. Keep watching Cookie Squad, and we'll be right back.